Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So as you can see here, I have two boxes right here coming from the same place. I actually entered online for the raffle. I didn't even know that I entered twice, and I didn't even think that they would honor two entries or the second one, but apparently they do, because when I got the second alert from PayPal saying that my PayPal account got charged, I didn't even know what the other one was until I looked at my previous emails and I saw that I actually entered twice. So even though it says one entry per, I guess per person, but apparently it went through the cracks, so I got an extra pair. I wasn't really planning on getting two, but it is what it is. So let's crack this open right here. Let's see here. Crack this open. Go. See, it is a Yeezy BOOST 700 right here. Grab this other box, and as you can see, it is, again, I said it's the same company, but they're using two different boxes, and it came from the same, I guess, warehouse. So I don't know why they have two different boxes for it as far as shipping, but again, it is what it is. Again, there's the other one. And these are coming from Sneakersnstuff. Again, I did the online raffle for it, and I forgot that I even entered twice. But as you can see, these are the Yeezy BOOST 700, the Inertia colorway. Both are size 10.5. The actual colorway is Inertia. Again, size 10.5 right there. You've seen the 700 box. You got the 700 right there. Yeezy BOOST 700 made by Adidas. You boost on the side, and it is a slide-out box. So white paper, or the grayish paper, beige paper, and these are the shoes themselves. One, and then the other one is right here. So I'm not sure if they actually saw that they weren't selling out right away. So that's why maybe they sent, people with multiple entries their second pair. Because I know they weren't really, they eventually sold out, but it wasn't a quick sellout. But again, you got the bottom right here, which is kind of more of a cream bottom. You got the Adidas branding right there. You got the Boost, exposed Boost right there. And I guess for most people, they didn't know that this blue, the light blue color, was right here. They thought it was mainly gray, but it is a bluish color. The suede up here, you got the mesh, you got the 3M hits here, 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 and here. You got the suede on the heel as well, right there. So when I first saw it, yeah, I definitely, liked the colorway of it. But again, not for two pairs. But again, as I mentioned, it is what it is. Again, you only have one laces option on the Yeezy BOOST 700. Here is the other one, right there. And here is the second pair. Just a quick look. And here it is right there. So I'm just wondering what you guys thought about this colorway or the Yeezy BOOST 700 in general. Do you guys like it? You guys not? There's actually only my second pair I only got the original Wave Runners and this colorway. I passed on the other ones because I didn't really like the colorways of those. So, all right, YouTube. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.